What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to get the maximum coins in Xempire. For that all you have to do is to go to the coin per hour and click on it, and here you have to go to the marketplace. So tap on coin per hour. Once you do it, just go with the marketplace, and in the marketplace all you have to do is to buy these items in order to get the maximum coins out of it or increase the coins per hour ratio. So after that what you guys can do is go to the quest section. So what you can do is to complete a quest and challenges and daily tasks. In order to complete the task, you will get coins per task. So the other option is by inviting the friends. So once you invite the friends, you will get coins per friend, and if your friends get to the next level, reaching it, you will get a certain percentage of out of it. So all you have to do is go to the assets and you will see the daily reward. So you can get the daily reward as well, and then yeah, there are some quests that you can do in order to get the more profit per tap, more profit per hour, and even you can increase the energy. And there are levels to it as well. So that's how you can earn more coins and mine more coins at maximum rate. I hope you find this video helpful. If it does, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.